Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to change the device name on it. First thing you have to do is open the start menu, then go to settings, then after that go to system and scroll all the way down to about section, open it, then select rename this PC, and then enter a new name for your PC without using spacebars. For example, we can name it Soyo M4 Pro Hard Reset. So without any spacebars, because they cannot be accepted. If we add a spacebar right here, as you can see, it will not accept it as a new name. So make your name look somewhat like this, then click next. And then in order to proceed, you're gonna have to restart your computer either now or later, depending on what you have to do now. So I'm gonna select restart now and then wait until the device is restarted so that we can check if the changes have been applied. Okay, and once the device is restarted, let's sign into the Windows account, and then let's head back to settings to see if the changes were applied. So let's go to settings, and right here in the home, on the home page, you'll see the new name of your device. So as you can see, everything worked well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.